Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to your number one soccer podcast in the land, or your number one soccer podcast on YouTube. Yes, you heard me right. Your number one soccer podcast on YouTube. This is Pass and Move, proudly brought to you by Dep3 Events, Dep3 Media, and the Dep3 Studio. Also, the setup that you see here, the new balls, the trophy is proudly brought to you by Sports Zone. Sports Zone is located at shop number 2A, ground floor, Meship House. Yeah. Shop number 2A, Meship House. Yeah, it's on the ground floor. They're the ones that brought us these beautiful trophies that you see. Lovely balls. They deal with sports regalia, sports merchandise, everything that you want on sports. You find it there at Sports Zone. And remember, this is Dep3 TV. This is Afcon special, eh? I see. Awubuto is the Zimbabwe number one support with the flag.
Number one, disappointed as well.
But we check in number two. So, guys, the crew is today we're almost complete. Kanye is back.
Yeah.
After ubelungisela ama-PA put us.
Bekushuba ngale bekuchithwa.
Let's hope awukhohlwa ngokwe-disc.
Hayi.
Topi usha
Mnandi yabani.
clean. Masudu
Mnandi mina.
clean.
Mnandi
Kanye,
kakhulu.
Hayi mina ngisuyi,
Uyiswi?
ngisuyi kakhulu.
our guest today, maybe he'll become a frequent guest also. We've got Buto in the building. Chicken is number 2 support. Toba is 3. I was 3 and what timber. Number 1.
Chicken has got a lot of friends. There's no number one, there's no number two, there's a lot of friends.
Toba number 2. Macleod to number 1.
Nama supporters are my name. Akula number one, akula number two.
Number 2. There's a lot of things that happened during the course of the week, but we all know the AFCON is started. AFCON is up amadude. AFCON is ifile. Isuke yadlala siyakwazi okwenza. Let's just get on to it, guys. AFCON let's siqase nge-opening ceremony.
Yeah.
Eh?
Bengihappy ukuthi kuma fan zones laphana besile act from eZimbabwe.
Mukumba, yes.
Yeah, so nje even okunye zisikhalela nje kulapha esijabule lapho.
But you on yourself, opening ceremony, how did you see it? Uyibone njani opening ceremony?
Ndote Morocco ndote ngani asikho eAfrica
Eish.
ndote everything inhle nje guys nice eMorocco. Konke into abayenza vele uyabona ukuthi hayi standard sabo siphezulu. Ngeke bayiniki World Cup futhi.
For 2030,
for 2030 ukuthi hayi abantu laba into zabo zonke zihlelekile.
Order.
Hayi odi proper opening ceremony mntana.
Suthi uyibone njani?
Ibe smart. Ibe smart kokana kubonisa ukuthi akusathenjelwanga eSouth Africa kodwa. Because qala ngobe kuyi South Africa, World Cup kuyi South Africa. Since much is sijado ko smart. Iwe standard, well standard straight.
But uyibone njani opening ceremony?
It was so nice. Njenge stadium lesana phusa ngathi ipeni pawo. It was so nice. I like the fans and everything, you know. I think Motsepe is doing something good for as the CAF president.
Yes.
Okay, we are seeing a lot of changes and a lot of things. And we are integrate every nation which is there. So it was so nice. It was so nice. Azange kube kutshengisa ukuthi for Africa bazange bethatha abantu beMorocco kuphela. But it was for everyone. And it was so nice.
Ezukanye rightfully said it.
Zimbabwe, it was
Yes.
also there. It shows that everyone is included.
Included.
It becomes inclusive.
Even lama event ilokuze nini ceremony ababili ama artist ahlabela uyabona
nice.
hayi kuhle nje.
Especially ngibano
Bona
Davido
Montana lo Davido.
Davido le French Montana. Proper che.
Proper, yeah.
Proper. Lighting.
No mistake.
Besithi World Cup.
Wale World Cup.
So lokhana okukhulunywa ngolo hlanya lo Liverpool iphunditi le
No Kareka.
uKareka. Uthi AFCON is a little tournament.
Hayi.
I hope lapha khona
I think sometimes ngiyavumelana noMourinho ukuthi khona some Phundisa failed footballers want to make up for their failure.
Exactly.
Ngiyavumelana noMourinho kulokho.
Uriqinisile lapha noJose.
Because nawe ukhuluma benga-understand thina eAfrika ukuthi siqhakathekisa njani into yena.
Exactly.
Yabo. Yena ukhuluma nje njengomuntu nje. Ofuna abantu bengahambi kwaFCON ngenxa yokuthi ufuna iPL akuncedi. Yabo.
Then there was ubuya kwama teams. Engene eMorocco. Ukhangela nje from thina izimo. Indlela esafika ngayo ubusucheck abo Ivory Coast kulamanye ama team angene ngezinye istyle ukuthi mdala la could tell ukuthi this is not a league tournament, this is a proper tournament. What was your highlight iphe ekuchazile
yakwazi ukuthi mdala ebenga expect amasuit ade siwagqokile lawana number 1 ebenithi and then kule kit ebuyigqokwe yi Tanzania I think amalembu abo lana babewathandile lana yeah lapha na kuphekiwe and then another thing in terms of organization abantu abaorganize tournament lana mdala bembhala somewhere try this is the first time le team eba le base layo lodwa anti kudala abantu ama team befike ehambe emahoteleni and stuff i-team yabe le base ukuphosa kube isa territory ukuthi lapha vele lapha ngokwezabo
training ground yakho hotel yakho
ku beach nxa lifika bethwa ngumoya
indawo yeni
yabona bekunjalo so kodliwa selipho ngodliwa nje but motivation levelini
akafike kudliweni si-build up nje yona iAfcon from konke nje esekusubonile so far singakangeni kudliweni ukuthi how the tournament service organized khalisi ama team sikhoma ukuthi ama team andlela afike ngayo how they were also welcomed. I understand i-highlight liyase ingane ukuthi iTanzania geared in their traditional
hayi athi ibiro athi angona habe kuhle nambona ama defending champions Ivory Coast
that was my highlight.
Ababe smart
Ivory Coast we smart number ibo number 1
Nigeria futhi ibuyela iChina leyama move
so angethuka Nigeria because Nigeria sesikujwayele but this time ngana abaningi banjani bakopile
Ivory Coast
i-DRC labo bayenze kwabo like i-photo shoot yabo bonke besigqokela ama-kit ama-club
different
odlalela imenu it was so nice. This time alambona kulithi because I think maybe bebetsheliwe maybe ukuthi khona you have to come liqoke ngendlela enje and even sibongela ukuthi i4 May isiyenza ama-Warriors la abukeka bekukuhle lokho it was so nice
proper
it was proper zange sitshengise ukuthi singabayanga nje kangako nje.
Speaking about ama-Warriors asikhulumeni because ngizwile abantu bakhale kakhulu I know lathi singakangeni on air divided opinion sisuka ama-Warriors esuka la basi eScotland bese
totally lana into lana nje yaba wrong like ya drive ama supporters ukuthi vele ungasa support cause yazi uzotha national team ubone sehla Scotland kumbe bazithathela Inter Africa kumbe bathathe enye ibhasi kwakuzaba it was going to be better
but andisekeza economy point le vele before kufika even ibhasi eCaps andisekeza gadi ibhasi eCaps before ufika ibhasi eCaps eScotland vele asokuqala ukuthi national team isebenza ibhasi elocal club Sikesa sebenze Black Rhinos before. Yeah, sikesa say sometimes akudinga sometimes vele uyabafika bethi nanku
so understand ukuthi
ngiyalithola nje
akula problem lokanokuphika but looking with the vast companies in Zimbabwe you can talk to abayenzi branding if branding bayafuna uku-advertise everyone knows ukuthi amehlo umuntu wonke aglued to the Warriors. This is an opportunity to advertise my brand. Let me go to the bus Scotland lana ngiyi-brand for the Warriors just for those it's just maybe 10 days ngabe siyabuya sesibahlangabeze airport sibabisile then sesikhipha sibuyela ku-Scotland sesikhipha sibuyela whatever bus ukuthi uphi.
I like ipoint River ukuthi uyakwazi yazi why
yathi i-right kakhulu but iScotland ngeke isivume because la ifuna ukuthi ku-advertise uba
Scotland yiko kade sikhuluma
yiko wa wrong that's why uGarnett ukhuluma ngeCape Sancho kwayenzakala uCape abantu abaningazabe bekukhuluma balutsha abantu abakubonayo yabo yabona kweScotland indoda ithe ngene simangile thithi
yindaba yokuthi vele Scotland ayithanda
hayi
isayithi ukuthanda
ikwenze into ngani ngokweScotland mabe ngena bengakafiki le ehotel baqase ehotel bese yakwehle ehotel ubone Scotland seyilenye function kathi hayi sobona uphumo okade manje kwenzakalanda qala kubo Cape kwakuyenzakala sasingakuboni sasingakunanzeleli
alale kunanzelela but konkhona ukuthi Cape leyo likwazi ulandaba and ekathesi iScotland kokhona leyo lisithi ama players abaningi eScotland konke eScotland wathi that's why
that's what you're talking about khayila futhi let's go back to the Premier League. No one knew ukuthi khona kuzaba le trophy entsha until iScotland siwinile. Now kathesi sekungama Warriors. So ngama Warriors. So le bus iScotland. So ngama Warriors. So kubiza umuntu le 16 years kuma Warriors bechiya ama players ethu.
But yabona kule point yami ukuthi yindaba yokuthi iScotland ayithandwa. I-trophy entsha ngabe iwinwe ngenye team engaso Scotland even ichinjiwe kungakhulunywanga umsindo lo ungasoze ube khona
asiyali but akukhulunywe why kufitha
I get all these points but kuqakathekile ukuthi sikukhulume siku highlight nxa ku correcteka si highlight ukuthi singa correcta nga because as uMasudi is saying and unga-check even eZambia phela sithatha ukuthi izifi bingela bhasi yakhumbula saza phi bhasi ezifa proper
ehlezi phezulu kwama-Italian
so
baselana yake ya-attachwa futhi for isquirate
no but what I'm trying to say is ungachecka umakhelwane because mina ngithanda ukusebenzisa ama-example abomakhelwane ungachecka umakhelwane iZambia mdala i-FA yeZambia made sure ukuthi proper ibhasi eZambia neFA it ferries lokhuzini so ipoint kabutho iqhathe in the sense ukuthi iScotland yes oFilibus but bengayenzi bekhulumele lokhuzini yini labantu amakhampani brand out no guys besicela at least isbrand ibhasi le ibe ngema Warriors
even for free they were going to say yes
I understand kube lenye perspective ezafika because ama supporters were already divided ngoba ubutho ngechikenini uMasudi ngayelenda wena uMepencengo webulaya Chiefs you understand lingabona so Scotland already so ku divide their attention to the fans instead ukuthi sibe yi1
ipoint yakho ngiyakuzwa ngiyayizwa but ngizabele ukuthi indaba cause singakafiki kade sekuthini kathesi lapha siya Afcon ebhasi sebenzi usetshenziswe eScotland kule game akade uhanjwa khona eSouth Africa ngisakhumbula ukuthi yipi game ama supporters ahambe khona egada amabhasi eTamoka eMosi le bhasi yeSimba Bora yabona but kungafakwa ibhasi yeScotland vele indaba yokuthi iScotland ayithanda
alright
mina ngikho khona bobuto ngisekulungisiseni correcting that narrative
uthi akulungisa
angiyali point ayikhuluma kayikani ama players ahambe ama supporters ahambe siyasupporta ngale bese misipha support lokustamuka labo Mozi London who had sponsored that ngumuntu weSimba Bora umnikazi weSimba Bora wayesponsor ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi ama supporters ehambe somebody who sponsor wathi khona going to buy a bus ama supporters ezikhambelana an individual not in an association it becomes different now as an association nxa sikwenza but and now when it comes to Scotland no one hates Scotland but the way eyangena ngayo ku league yiko ngoba le controversy yayingenanga in a proper
lomsindo
so yiko ngoba lomsindo because anything they do we think if they are using money they are bullying because of money but however nxa sesiphenduka ku Zimbabwe siyabathabela because sebevuselele ibhola leZimbabwe
yes
because everything has got an advantage and a disadvantage but ukuvuselela ibhola leZimbabwe so ivuselele but the way they are doing it is like they are saying imali because most people who are supporting Scotland they don't support Scotland because they love it abafuna imali abantu abamavili abafuna ukuyaphiwa abakhongozelayo labo that's the difference
so yabona ukuthi issue le inkulu ngakanani Ntombi ukuthi at least because ibhola unites guys
kakhulu
isikhathi umelthi ngabe yathi united sonke all teams You understand? United. But ungabona sokuthiwa Scotland is team A1 esiqhakathekiswe esiphambili and bathwala national team izifa khona bana I think they dropped the ball ngomele bekunanzela ukuthi into le ayikho sharp. Okay, fair enough. That happened. Warriors were smart, clean, but sebehamba ba-separating. Any group ifika uqala, any group ayisazwakala umbheka aqina ilandela couple of hours later. Kwenziwa win okuyizinto okunjalo because I think kuyabulala ispirit vele okuyizinto ukuthi because amanye team abebiya ka1 bra.
Yabona into ezinjalo zibangelwa into ezinjazo nezokuthi nxa sikhuluma ngazo anti the next thing is umuntu okhuluma ngalokho siyambophisa going to take legal actions against that. But we are complaining as a family because now we are in Zimbabwe. As Zimbabwe, we are now united. Akusela Islanders, akusela Chicken, akusela Scotland, akusela no matter whatsoever. We are now Zimbabweans.
Yes.
And now we mistake. If we are complaining about that, there's no need to go to when because you are the father. You pull toes to ngayenza njalo zakuchaya. But now singakhuluma into ezinjalo kufuze sikhulume ngakho then bengabona amaphutha they sit down and rectify that.
Yes.
But now ngathi ukukhuluma especially anti ukukhuluma indaba kaMashad minutes. What anyone who's going to say those things abusing whoever is supposed to be in charge is going to be arrested. So we are demoralize abantu. Then sebechiya kunjalo and those same mistakes are going to happen again. Because it's not for the first time ngisenzakala balokhu ngakunanzelela it's something like a trend. Eyenzakala ukuthi nxa umbe imali ebengakwananga inebhadalwe but this time upresident ubaphile 400,000. So I don't see even the reason why and I think le cafe yabanika something maybe zabanika sebeqalisile angazi
baphiwa
no cafe yakunika ungaqualify yakunika imali yama preparations
so we cannot challenge ukuthi imali or something it's just poor
logistics
ukuhleka kuphela administration so I problem ikuzifa ayisikho ekuma traveling because nxa kuyiframachini yathola abantu abangu 700 amanje yathola 200
I found it strange ukuthi to be when still active and uhamba le Cape Champions League belihamba likwanile o umbuzo wami right ngibana ngifake so nxa lihamba li separate lifika different times kwenza camp
lokwana obvious konkwana ukuthi abanye basele abanye bahambile obviously abelicabanga ukuthi labana bazafika njani obviously mentally yabe kungani kuyalihlupha lena but overall sometimes I think anjiyabona ukuthi maybe kuya ngokuthi line information elihamba ngayo yipi uyabona lokuthi libhukenini la yenzana njabona information phela ayila ukuthi wena lingabe Zimbabwe lizayenza so hayi ama tickets bakwanisa ukufaka amalokuzeni number yami iCity yami ibe ngunumber 24 wena yami ibe ngunumber 30 ibe kuyini uyabona then nxa sokulokhuzwa laphana thina bakwanisa ukudivide bethi wena iCity number iflight lokuzeni yakho iliyane enza njani elandelayo uyabona so sometimes izinto ezabezenza ke so but manje amanyamazwe like maybe abo Nigeria bona babile lokuzeni ndegeza
assigned
ukuthi assigned for national team uyabona so kuchene lathi ukuthi singiyilandeki ukuthi sithi
fana umuntu ogada ibhasi yagcwala
so thina sisenza khona okunjani oyenzakala uyabona yi difference kuphela ukuthi sifa yabe
ngilesotho ayilandeki assigned to them
uyabona
olesotho abala mandika assigned to them
but I think it's administrative
because we all know ukuthi imhla ka 15
sizahamba this is squad
ayipawuthenga itiketi manje ukuthi
yathi okunye futhi ama visa lana into zonalizana zabe zicounter
visa vele ikhuphe because vele national team wesinja eMorocco even ngade ezinhlezi kunaba ngefoni ngayenza yaphuma ayifuni ukutshona ngisela yina ngayo eMorocco ayila exclusive
bona kumele belokhuze vele yathi into lezimele bezi ukuthi izifa yona yabengafuna ukuthi clarify kubantu abantu abengakwazi izinto lezi uhamba njani because sometimes you can blame umuntu but yena ngela power over it yabo because uMorocco asomazwilana uphungu ufika ungene
hayi
but for this tournament
kule journalist ade likhuluma ekhuluma isithi mina ntole ikhiwe linika imali lathi ngiva eMorocco siyo cover but ansakwanisanga and ukhuluma into zangona nxa ekokhuluma into esimple
exact
uthe kufunakala i-passport ukuthi ngithola ama visa la yabona but mina bene passport endala ne passport amendala expire ngo2028 bengabona ipoint yokuthi njani yabona so okunye ungama details okuncane nje ngakhona lokho ukuthi isikhathi sonke maybe kade ungawazi by the time ufuna ukusebenza usubona no siyashota lapha lalapha
but for national team Ganethi ubuthi ufaka shapha
uyabona mina ngiyavumelana lo Ganethi ukuthi i-national team ayimela ingikade ngani ikade ibhasi umkade umshofota wayesebenzela yabona cause into ekhona kunje singasuka la sithi asambe neze team la kumbe sigade something kanjalo ngathi ale sigcwila siyachiya ngifuna abantu abayifuka siyachiya ngoba senze ukuthi masifika ngale onto wakhona kucace thuka be administration
you understand
afuna ukukhuluma ukuthi la ibe wrong total let's Zimbabwe it's a national team ikhamba ihlukene ngani kumbe hayi
but mina the only separation engangiboni leliyana ukuthi ama players ay overseas lawana aza travel on ehlamba straight ku base
manje isiko kwenza
I see
so ama local yiwa yahamba in pieces
wamba lo group 1 lo group 2
manje vele iZimbabwe yenza njalo ngalo zama unanzelela ama tournament amaningi ya ku group 1
it's wrong khona kya
it's wrong
then
le ndeki ngathi it's wrong njalo
they must organize the Zimbabwe baba
into ungaba nayo ukuhamba ebhasi team engasoyeni
vele sebesikhatshana into lezi
not into ngesithengeleyo mntala but this is a national gig
it's a seven contract
nxa international ukuthi karesi vele sikhuluma so ozifa mntala asonto ezibophisayo into ezini public ozifa laba balezikwerede zabo eZimbabwe eziserious
ezingenzi
kathesa ngiyokuhambe abangeke behambe eZimbabwe ukuthi sicelana ukuthi kube le ndege efakwa lapha ukuthi le vele yezasukuma lama players ka1 pa bachiya eDubai from Dubai bephenduke eMorocco
yabona that's what I'm telling
so
yiko kwenzakala
into engabenza
labo gulu ukuthi ogulu babekwazi bengafika la eyothambo bayotshela indege yothi team baswa ngendege le
kabe ngasondege association
because ukuthi asithi ube indege association
sithi going forward izinto ezazilungisile
konke lokhu yazwakala but nxa kusenzakala ukuthi khona even from the government they are in support with the national team and
exactly bro
akula problem ukuthi bale security singanani it's just a directive it's just a directive
but manje problem
eZimbabwe it's a parastatal one which is under the government led by the government and the government can delegate and decide ukuthi parastatal izani njani
but anibababhuka phela so ayisini lodwa remember
yiko press ukuthi ekubukheni lapha we know
sebehla arrange ukuthi iZimbabwe yamba
nginga justify ukuthi madoda
asonto wakuvuse kuseni phela bathi kunje hayi
mina justify into engitsho mina into engitsho ukuthi into lezi azifuni ukuthi kufuna wena ukuthi zifa wena ayifuni kuyenza abantu
beagcekeni
ukuthi ama situation la utamajani because most of the time thina andisena sikhuluma ukuthi kuyawumele beyenze so but ibona obviously mina I don't think ukuthi wena proper even lawo ngubaba sibili ngathi family ihamba iqhamukile uyabona akuphumi
ngaphandle nxa vele kuya
normally vele akuphumi uyabona ngiyangizwa yiko ngikutsho mina ukuthi
barata ukuthi amanye ama team abebuya wonke ka1
uyabona so kuya kule reason behind that so bona kumele
ngicacisa
abazwayo yiko phela
sothi
abakhulu uyafana la kaThesu uMagaiva abantu bebechinga Magaiva coach usesithi uMagaiva belimele after the game uyabona but umuntu usethethi siwachinga
la kaThesu nalokho ngithethisa
okay that I get and I think we've made content even to our viewers then the tournament guys yaqalisa Morocco versus Comoros I think besinga expect standard level lokho sesikhuluma ukuthi amabiza asela ndawo ukuthi bezijeje lidlala versus Comoros abantu bezijeje Comoros yabulawa 15 so it shows ukuthi level of African football so and ama country awadimancane asevalili
but kulama countries ayi2 vele I think past 2 or 3 editions zeAfcon akade wonisa ukuthi like vele I think ibaba yenza sachinja ingqondo sathi akusela team encane eAfrica bekuyi2 iComoros leMadagascar ama team nalawo ubona ukuthi engafika even if ingaphuma early uyabona ukuthi uyabona laba bavela somewhere and sebe improve lapha bakhona akukhumbula Madagascar ukukhulunywa ukuthi ama players abo ngabantu abasebenzelayo ngofishermen kuthiwa kule tour abadlala eFrance you know but babuyile bengahlangana you know so Jensethi nje lathi ibhora lethu ezehonje liya somewhere
Africa ibhora liyakhokho
and khona lokhu kukhavisa into lezana abantu abanje abo Kareka babe kukhulunyiswa izinto ezebezifana la khona kuya but khathesi now umuntu anywhere in the world could tell ukuthi yeah, like this is a proper tournament. Like we were saying, with this stadium bongani pena nja.
That was nice. I want even image lane Comoros leno kuze nini le Morocco. Mina I thought ukuthi koni Morocco vele sisiya ku first half iyabilita 2-3 goals. But the guys, and even that 24-year-old keeper was so outstanding. Was save penalty lana, and you know you can see ukuthi kona it's 11v11 now.
Yeah.
Ibhora lisadlalwa ngama bookmakers lama odds selidlalwe ground.
Yeah.
Because
I think tactically ama team is good. Asangene ground just to play nje ukuthiwa lo numbers. Now abantu sebe prepare, sebe siba tactically. So abantu ngabuya be tactically vele kunzima just to break them. Yikubona iComoros babe be tactically good. Bafika bazama la, but obviously vele at the end of the game was a lapse, but tactically uyabona abantu sebe chintshile.
Let's talk about our group. Ikali Zulu. First game South Africa versus Angola. Sihle sikhangele our chances, because I think basiboni say something South Africa le Angola that is sesizikhangela singakafiki kwe game edlale after that game South Africa le Angola. Indawo ke
lapha nezokufuna ukuphumula mina ngomunye abantu abajala ungayisaba ukubhejela iZimbabwe even bedlala le team enkulu okunganani but izolo bengizithule after ubona igame eSouth Africa le Angola lapha mina vele bengitshela ukuthi whatever reason whatever result ebuya ku game eEgypt le Zimbabwe number 1 lo number 2 we group B South Africa le Angola ngenxa yendle abantu labana bebe indlela engisele ngayo
number 1 number 2 yini
it's South Africa le Angola
zingakadlali
hayi
after
sezidlalile bese whatever result elizabuya ku Egypt le Zimbabwe igroup le yathi siyaphela number 1 lo number 3 Angola the South Africa Angola that all yabona because of equality game yawo mdala equality game yawo ubona ukuthi lawa ngabantu abangasabaniyo abantu abazodlala ibhora even owinayo winile layo uphume sithi asiwinile but labo bebebuya ongangokuthi iAngola the next 2 games singadlala kuhle isitshayela abantu bayo South Africa the next 2 games idlale la isitshayela abantu nje you know.
Yeah, we know there's some stories in Zimbabwe,
so
but
okay.
But I saw I came to South Africa, Angola. Bendibukela ngiclimsi the second half ngibukele yonke nje. But ngesikhathi ndibukele I could tell ukuthi kona judging because bembukela ukuthi Zimbabwe could have the chance. Basing on Angola ngoba Angola yangazange ngiyibone kahle dlala South Africa. I've seen them play several times. So I could tell ukuthi kona if we were to play our game before ngibone lineup yaizolo Zimbabwe. But if you can play with the proper lineup with the proper mentality, I think we've got a chance. We have got a chance. Maybe just I always believe that if there's a 1% chance, fight for it.
Yeah.
So we are going to fight for that small chances la ukuthi nxa singachaya Angola South Africa obviously la in South Africa and when English Liverpool iTwende Egypt ngathi Zimbabwe zanathi fuel
la ngangaphetha eParaville
South Africa ngathi Zimbabwe I'm divorcing my wife.
Now we can find. Angazi umfazi wakho kuzwa lokho.
She should hear this. But I know we are going to do something. Zimbabwe is going to come out. I think this time we're not going to end on number 2 or number 3 like usual. We're going to end at number 2 or number 1.
One.
Yeah. That's my point.
We're giving Ubucho. Everyone.
I mean, according to the South Africa, the Angola, le Zimbabwe, le Egypt.
South Africa.
South Africa, Angola. lama team adlalile lawa lana ama team adlalelo khana ukuthi even ubungakwazi ukuthi yipe ezowina ezawina kuphela ubuzwathi is the best and abonisile lana into ayakude since uguarantee sithi enye kopa la ku 1 or 2 but according to lezi ezidlalileyo ezinyantsho uSouth Africa le Angola le Egypt is already sile 3 points yayo
singafiki kule asiqede iSouth Africa le
iSouth Africa le Angola zilama 3 points azo uZimbabwe there is no way lamade mfuna i-draw ukuthi amaphi Zimbabwe aphuma le draw according to ngendlela embone ngayo kanje hayi lezana zilama clean sheet ama Nigeria athi it's a banker it's a 3 points banker ku Zimbabwe
mara izu topi ono iSouth Africa le Angola sezisivulele ubone njani ukhayela ama chances awezimo
mina intembukela ibhola leSouth Africa iSouth Africa iyadlala like uyabona la iproper football sibili ukuthi hayi laba bacabangeli tactically bagodu even abasabi maze behlohlwe uliqalisa ibhola vela abasabi bayahamba badlala ibhola la uyabona sibili even though kuyabe kulabanye ababengeke gaming then ucoach tactically amasabhaka akude uyabona nxa etshintsha ungena abantu abanjani bayafika bethi iAngola futhi same ayisabi iyabuya pound for pound iyapasana la iyabuya attacker bagudu ngama set pieces bonke uyabo so kuhambana kumbonisa ukuthi South Africa is no longer a small team kathi siyayitshengisa ukuthi kathi they want it into le uyabo then sengikhanyela iZimbabwe le Egypt ukuthela ukuthi iZimbabwe singama underdogs group yethu that's effective very awuchinzi ngamanda dogs uyabona so izolo like idlalile iZimbabwe ya manager to get a goal of which sonke we surprised phela ukuthi isihlohlile yabo then we panicked nje ukuthi asingeke si defend 90 minutes kuyabe kunzima vele kuyabe kunzima ndaba ama attack legs vele sizagcina sesihlohlisa amabhola lana ukuthi sithi badlela vele seveka lela but abantu basebediniwe the concentration 90 minutes mdalo ku defend kunzima so I think iZimbabwe ukuthi sithole ipoint so kunzima ngoba kumele iAngola layo ngendlela edlala ngayo
lose point
yabona iSouth Africa la isifuni ipoint yithi at least izoyo ngabe maybe siphele draw bese yaphefumula sithi at least but manje
bengafuni eqale touch on that game but anyway njengoba uTobi sevele why touch looking at South Africa versus iAngola standard beyazi nihle ngaba le fear of izimo ngikhaya ibar efakwe
South
Africa le Angola and ngizathanda especially emazweni kaMachisa those two teams South Africa and Angola batshengisa ukuthi Southern Hemisphere this side I for us anyway let's get into the game between Zimbabwe and Egypt. How did you singakafiki already game line up isaphuma lapha
line up iphuma mina ntembona 5 ma defenders first warrior mbingi ukuthi center lapha
I don't think the 5 defenders
was 5
no 7
bare 5 bare 5 yathi bekulo Jalai Kadebe Karananga Muruira Lobano munye lapha
7 defenders bro
bare 5
lineup
all right
because it's teenage defender Karananga defender lo Copenhagen
Karananga wa Copenhagen
lo munye futhi Scotland defender Muruira defender le Takwara
defender
Jalai
very
defender Fabish defender
Fabish yandi simbala umiti phela
nakam it's just
defensive midfield apari akade siyakhona ndi bensithi natural lapha na sithi sile 5 ma defend the 2 ma midfielders
our defensive
and ama midfielders ayithulana ade defensive besingela midfielder Elizabeth lithatha amabhora asuka kuma defenders linika ama strikers ngendlela ama strikers omele fitwe ngayo yabona so khona kana kuhle basenzela igame yethu yabanzima kuyasodlala
looking at the lineup
so bese ngikhayethi lapha ke sokudlalwa obviously sokudlala ama long balls and ama long balls vele kufana lokulahla ibhola uthi ungathatha ibhola ulithi chu it's either very ama chances are liza wela opponent depend with the attack yiko bona sesiloko even igame siqalisile siloko si attack nje waya indaba zokuloko sijika amabhola sijika so besishota nje esenta umuntu akade ezabe edlala behind ama strike ethatha ibhola from uNakamba ofabish eligcine zama ukuthi thatha igijime bijana bese linika ama strikers ngendlela
butho iline up lana uganesihle wathatha on the game iline up lana ithini kuwe ezefe nxa ukhangela ukuthi okay this is the lineup that is going to face Egypt
nxa ubonile status sami the moment ngibona iline-up ukuthi ngihle ngaposta ngathi as much as I'm a fan of Zimbabwe but this lineup sesabulawa because intsha isongovalo iline-up yakhona izolo lana considering ukuthi khona we didn't know like ukukhulunywa ngolokuze nini ukuthi khona teenage uthamba nokulunga was injured and that is going pound to pound is in terms of speed ngumuntu atenga mecha lokuze nini ndosara so ubusubonto uHadebe futhi useceleni wena uHadebe vele umaze edlala esente and esente yakona futhi udosa ngefaras yabona kuyakunzima ukuthi usujaja sukhayilo omamoshi vele esente sebezihambela sebekhululekile because yabukhayinto nxa ikhona la umuntu okuze ni teenage esesente lapha nabenqetsana labanye ngazenza mistake kulomunye umuntu but kuwingi vele usukwazi ngapha ngasesinjani sesigone usubona lo othamba ndo uGod nozimurila mina bese nxe is going there to motivate others engakwazi uzafika eqalisa
kanjani futhi is going to motivate others kanjani thina sifuna
umurila mina vele not taking nothing better nothing personal to him he's not the best right back we have in Zimbabwe local in Zimbabwe
True.
He's not even number 2, number 3, number 4. He's not even there. So he was not chosen on merit. He was chosen because he played for Scotland. He plays for Scotland. Yeah. But now Kuluma even Uchalai was much better. Even Utata even Umbeba was much better.
Yeah,
Umbeba was far much better than Udogs and Uchalai.
We know Umbeba told him.
That's his Ibora. Ama goals have nangenle. You want to utakwara ngiyathi sekugcina segijimisa secover umuntu osechilo umrule joke move and even ukopora kama mushilela umrule was joking and utakwara was trying to run so lineup nana very hlang keepile ukuze nini uthando lebhola but just because I'm a fan akula nto engayenza ngaze ngidahla umama ngincade umthakade ngizamthanda njalo
haya
mina ngeline-up vele sesathi hayi akula boreli nje obvious singamagwala ulanda ukuyadefenda sesumashise sisho once you defend opponent yabe ibuya kakhulu yabona lokho akafana ukuthi amanzi kathanga nageleza unovala ngenhlabathi encane lanovala ngelekozeni so akula nto ukuvala ngenhlabathi encane akuvala labo Hadebe lani lizibonile labo Mrira
abne uHadebe belisibongo
but umfowini lo Mrira ikuvala amanzi kathangani ngelokozini so ngokuyinhlabathi lokho
hawazi njalo nje
laba kuzowakhaya ithi
ngoba ukuvala
uyesingathi teenage Hadebe manje senze ukuthi maybe singathi Hadebe isibongo sabe singani simfaka kwelinye izinto ikulesithusi okay hayi mase ngasafaka uHadebe ukuvala ngabo teenage labo Mrira hayi kudlala ngesikhathi hayi kudlala ngesikhathi ubuthi ozo right hayi lokana hayi ngoba umrura vele kade ngadeserve besicabanga maybe kula uhambele la kuyabona iMorocco la kuba
ngicela kuba iDevils advocate mina ucoach imbonile yena apha ngim understand yini ngathi vele J Egypt no on paper ama team ona lana segroupeni esilayo yiyo esingathi yiyo eqinileyo so ngithe mbona ifake 7
abantu aba defensive
minded players ngathi uthi umlo usharp but inkinga ebese ngilayo I lack of creativity uthi okay siza defend then what
yeah
you understand ngoba nxa silabantu abayi7 already it tells me a story ukuthi vele la igame lesi silanda ukuthi singaconcede kakhulu sehle sizitshela ukuthi sizadliwa silanda ukuthi singadliwa eziningi understand ngathi maybe engce ufuna ipoint e0-0 because nxa usihle wafaka vele abantu abayi7 defensive already usuhle wakhuluma ukuthi attack yami but ngase mbona efake uNavaya lo Prince
yeah khona bese uqinisele kubuye kuNavaya uNavaya lapha into yenziwa ngumcoach kuNavaya yes mina ngimuNavaya kandlalelanga but angimsoli ngisolo coach uNavaya bekuyi first time yakhe ukudlala kuma Warriors and ubusumfaka at a big stage like that he was nervous from the minute one he was nervous
but ungacheka in terms of ukuthi they were nervous everyone was nervous because potential qalisi uJalai can't control teenage couldn't control
udlala njalo
ngiyakwazi lokuzeni ni strategy ka coach I think isebenzile especially first half because ungananzelela phambili lapha uNavaya uPrince umsendami besikwanisa ukuthi singabamaka ngala sibathole one counter uyabona sibathole one counter waya labo bebese emuva bebekwazi ukuthi uyabona because that's why ukwenze thina sigcine sesikwanisa unganise simechane labo eEgypt kubethe sokuyi counter because ni strategy yakhe bese ukumaka sibathi counter sikumaka sibathi counter so konkhona bekubancedisa labo abeZimbabwe strategy ka coach ukuthi at least singathola draw or sithole one goal sizakwana ukuthi maybe sizama ukuyidefend iGombora la then manje na maybe ku substitution yakhe indlela asekhiphe ngayo abantu ugcine sebanjani because obviously ama-third legs alanye press 90 minutes it's difficult even umsendami was playing very well so ukuthi i-distance ayicover from iqalisa uzoliyophela
ebese chawo 12 kilometers ebese ugijima 12 km
uyabona so yena abantu abafakileyo they couldn't do what into senziwa ngobani yilaba abakhiphileyo because even uNavaya it was his first game ku AFCON and kusi ukuthi he's a good player la ubezama sibili ukuthi Miramire labo
although
awusena ngeke kubone nje athi yabona because yena to be honest uPrince loNavaya combination yabo ibispana whether kuya pressure whether kuya passwana
lapho yakusekend
uyabona manje bethi lo msendami bonke beyi3 vela ndiphambili
be
complementary bese kubuya uFabish ubecha box to box la ubona okay uyabona manje ubenyathela yonke indawo so istrategy ka coach ngathi sisebenzile but sesibulawa yisecond half ama substitution afakileyo abengasoke kwanisa ukwenza lokho ade kusenziwa yilabo abakhiphile
but I know ukuthi labo lo Garnet maybe we might div uFabish uNakamba mina I don't think uNakamba complimented uFabish very well
no ebona ulokuzenini anti uFabish is a defensive uNakamba a defensive but uFabish ubezama ukuthi eforce mbijane ku-attacking mid that is why belibona ilokuzenini ukudlala kwakhe than kulo Nakamba uNakamba very short dropper more uFabish wahamba
but ungacheck even amabhora adlalile uNakamba singamthathela yena personal ama stats akhe even ama passes
exactly ungamthatha kuhle ungasamthatha kumid umthatha eboxini you find out ukuthi khona uclear more than 5 balls eboxini at dangerous ade clear ngokuzenini uNakamba he was defending but nali belifuna idlale kuphela kumid lapha ngendlela elimkhayela ngebizo lakhe belingakhangeli ukuthi khona siku situation enjani nalapha nabe siku tight situation ngisho nabe sipapa ka yipapa
no it was why Dobin Sijojalo even to the whole team because he's experienced and team leader machenze one note umbano ongaba calmer all experienced than the rest of the guys always so engineer team understand because ukucina uFabish is more experienced than uNakamba and uNakamba is played at the highest level than bonke abantu sa leader madude phela isibabhu isidlala udibula dibula so labana bese leader one note and ucoach strategy sesebenzile fair enough sesitholile igoli madude that's what told even check ama states Egypt did something like close to 700 passes
603
you understand Tina we failed to complete even 200 a mere 200 a completion of passes all 90 minutes lokana kwenza ukuthi engine yethu ayikwanisa ingalitholi ibhora eligcini usukwazi udlalisa abanye bakho abaseduze ubatsheda agents state asilidlale silino I think that's the best way to defend the point embuya ngayo ukuthi uNakamba as a senior and as a more experienced player udlula even because Fabish was doing that very well. That's why unga-check abantu bathi Fabish is a bowler more than uNakamba, but uNakamba was able to take up that role with gents lingalilahli sipasanini silicontrol thina sikhama umoya silipase because umsendami lo Prince lo Naval they did their job very well, but amabhora abengabuyi ngendlela because abesekuye phezulu bengabe phezulu Egypt ithatha is-attack.
Ya ngiyakuzwa sibili into itsho yami phikisana ndayo kangako, but igame lana nxa sikhangele igame lana ibinzima kakhulu for iZimbabwe because of the way esi approach ngayo. Thina si approach ngemind yokuthi like ukwakhulumkayo wathi khona besingafuna ukuthi maybe sekuba i0-0, that what maybe ukuthi siphume singahlohlwanga kumbe nxa hlohliwe sihlohle 2 singahlohlwe eziningi. That was the target, besingakhangelanga ukuwina ukuhlohla lokho kubuye as a surprise, but now sokuhlohla ke sokwenzakele ndo iplay yeZimbabwe bebesenza njengokuthi ngiyakhuluma ukuthi uMayweather ama matches akhe amaningi ayawawina wengahambi pound to pound wayekwenza udinwe then engathola ichance attack. Thina besifungusha i-counter attack mjokojo, i-counter attack mjokojo lapho engavumi khona. Sometimes ufuza ngathi sile bhora sipasana ibhora sipasana khona ibhora, but sesifunda singathola ibhora silikhabe phambili lapho ngenamuntu. So by so doing siyabe sihloko sigijima mjokojo singathola ibhora eli1 silipase liwela ku-Egypt liphenduke kuZimbabwe, silikhabe liwele ku-Egypt liphenduke. There is a time athi ufuna konke singalithola sicabange sike sipasane la nxa singathathelwa, but sike senjani salipasa.
Which you understand it? That's what I'm trying to say.
Let's cancel
because you know 90 minutes because Egypt yona bilipasana, so the moment nje want nje khona hapo ku 600 passes, imagine 600 passes uyabugijimela zama ukuthi umayo uyabo obvious uyabale
chances created mntamangayo for Egypt,
uyabona.
You understand?
Yeah. So yeah, but I like that ukuthi even singasatholanga that midfield engikhuluma ngayo ukuthi creative midfield awona ukhuluma nge-creativity uPrince ebezama uba ngo that guy ozama ukugijima lithatha ibhora because uPrince you know ukuthi he can do that, yakhona ukugijima le bhora but unanzelele ukuthi even emsenami mdale reach abantu ehlupha lani ebephelwa ama-ideas yade gijimile laphana awula muntu okunika ngapha sebuthelele ngama-Egyptian ayi-5
yabona iproblem i-distance yabe ikhava because niyafika ebhokisini ngabe mnika ibhora vela maka phe bemnika ibhora egijime ukuthi uphinde ukhontrol injini yakhona
khona lokhu bonke bebefuna udefend basebesele phela yike ngukhulumayo
no midfielders ababuyayo.
You understand?
Game ka Mourinho AC Milan wina 1-0 ku Champions League. Yona jathi sidlala thi.
But asikwanisi. Asikwanisi.
Lani ayifunela imaster. So lama support afaka engene yenze same. Babangenisa abantu abafika beattack sebevula ama space emuva. Sekusiyahlohlwa ngayo. Sebehlohla ngelast minute.
But umrela naye akhala.
But
umrela bethuza everything abambe ibhora ubela hayi guys
katini ukuhlabelile
lama cross lama corner lanade lokwanikwa angazi mina topi awazi mina eZimbabwe vela ngifuna umuntu oyisola but umrira wenzima
lokhatini mina I'm chicken fan, but when it comes to Zimbabwe vela ngifuna umuntu omphambanisa amfuni umuntu othi phambi kweZimbabwe la nxa ngibukela ngithanda ukubukela phambi kwabantu abaningi ngibukela endlini lapho ngikwasinye ngikhuza.
Okay, igame isidlale we lost that game 2-1 sesikhayela igroup yonke ezola ama-team wonke sesiwabonile sile chance ini
Right. Like total asila.
Next game sile facing sile Angola.
Total asila, even it draw asila. Total siyaziphendukela singela lutho. Masidlale kuhle sabe sihlohlile o sidliwe 2-1. Yiko sabe sidlale kuhle. Total siyaziphendukela asikhohlweni ngepoint.
Ade lapha ukuthi
ulombono ohlukene.
Yeah, ukuthi silama patterns nje eZimbabwe. Even kule game esayisa khona eSenegal 1-0, you know,
last minute
like silama patterns ukuthi first game lapha yakhona ukusinikeza ihope ukuthi yabona asichayiwe anti
oPeter phela bayibavulela Egypt anje ukubona
Yabona sichayiwe but
But-
abafana indlela abadlale ngayo kungalungiswa 1 or 2 next game singamiramira bese kudakwa nje second game sichawe ezine last game sichawe futhi kakhulu yabona
and
but
point yona yokhuluma gani inkulu abantu aba understand ukuthi vele ama team wonke first game anzima ukuthi
Kanzima
alikastatani
first game very inzima.
first game inzima
First game is because lonke you are nervous.
first game very is always difficult that's why even Morocco struggle
Struggling.
with Comoros because the first game very any
Yeah,
team
yeah.
I think the first game is very difficult
i-argentina yadliwa yito
South Arabia
Arabia
World Cup
Yabisenthathu
but
World
attack
like coming to ipoint yakho ukuthi sile chance nezimbabwe laphana mina personally ngayisi ukuthi khona I'm speaking as a fan we sent a message to the teams izolo they are now seeing Zimbabwe on a different perspective
hayi mina ngiyala kona
indlela mana phela ngisakhuluma indlela abahambe beyicabanga ngayo iZimbabwe ukuthi khona siyayenza so kubuye kwehlukile because now they know ukuthi iZimbabwe ngeke upaka ibhasi bahamba beprepare ukuthi iZimbabwe izapaka ibhasi let's attack and score so kufuna ucoach ukuze sithole a point ebele ebadiluthe ingqondo za into ukuze ingqondo zabo bona bazahamba beprepare ukuthi iZimbabwe izapaka ibhasi njengayizolo yena sidlala iattack engenza njalo we get a point engayibuyela ngento yakhe ukudefenda leyananti siyaphenduka njengokuthi umfowethu la nxa engafuni ukuvumelana naye amfuni ukuvumelana naye singaphenduka singawinanga but now when it comes to Zimbabwe we've got a tendency ukuthi nxa singadliwa second match whenever we play a third round we win ungawunanzila whenever we play a third round we win singaba le mentality esibalayo sidlala third round egamini eAngola we are going to win
manje ikhipule inzima even okwe dead rubber because last game ante kwazi zajoy South Africa ifika ku World Cup game revenge so
South Africa behle sidla lana ukuthi athi kona nyana umfazana qamba ngona
hayi competition sidla what is sike iSouth Africa ungacheka vele historical ama game one ile advantage over us isidle kakhulu
after Peter usukile
but into ebemfuna ukuthi si khangele going forward sikhuluma ama chances khayela sebe ubuthu besithi abantu sebekhayela different iziba njengabantu vele they knew from the first 10 minutes you could tell ukuthi abantu laba batatazela kulanda singabafana abantu abangala strategy inxa ngofanga yena le ndlela
mbasa
but ngibamba umlomo khona ku first 10 minutes sonke silapha siyavumelana ukuthi kona sonke sizitshela enhlizweni zethu ukuthi iZimbabwe yaku first name
qiniso ayifanga ezinye
so yikho kunoko ngikutsho
as far as uqinisile zibi
yikho ngikutsho ukuthi kona sesile abantu sebele different mentality they saw ukuthi kona they are good ku defense they were good they were clinical khona pana eboxing but the problem i-line yabo beyifaka endaweni engayisiyo eboxing you can make a mistake and when you make a mistake say the penalty or goal
thina ruposo wakho penalty
apha sile problem mentality topi ukuthi sikhayena ebizo ukuthi already we facing Egypt so if we're going to face Angola because ile bizo elincane I think i team engasishaya iziningi over amanye ama team
ngabukela ama boranti bemfuna ukukhuluma about one thing kuze indaba ye character le mentality unanzelela ukuthi usale ezehlohla igoyes 2 ama players eZimbabwe abaningi vele bahle balala phansi kanti
sokuthile
anti so ngifuna ukwenza iexample ngefinal eWorld Cup iFrance leArgentina lokana vele kwayenzakala like ama cameras akuphinda labo commentator baze bakhuluma ukuthi Argentina refusing to go down iFrance silokhu busy sithi kho kula lapho mesapoza wahlala khona phansi lokana ukuthi ngenzeni eground wakhotha amaso wabondayi but ingathi ingahlala phansi la kuyawisa imora yamateam wonke wasukuma wama i-character yana mdala and wonke umuntu yabemkhangele lapha vele ohlela eqini
ikhamera gijima kuye
yabona so khona kokhuluma ukuthi character mentality fighting akula ibhora vele lenzo refe ngathi game siphelile you still have a chance yoku-equalize nxa umuntu olida nge-goal difference engekho nkulu so lapho ukuthi thina we have a chance or not remember also ukuthi kathesi labo best third place ba qualify so yiko ngena khona mentality le character ukuthi hayi lalo masingasaba number 2
spend the 3 points
asibende 3 points yabo
hayi 3 points ngumsebenzi because kulomunye umuntu it was something fun but ungakukhanyela on a serious note ukuthi okade bathe sebethiwa kuyamanka izigipa zabo sala
khona ezozinika usikole
Ayisikoleni la ithando.
ayikho nje usikole awujekana from papazi ngasaba zabona uzikharete abaplay so besithi sebesikhangela ifixture uthi ukudlala Egypt ulabo sala lapha siyaqinisa because iAngola ilabo Fred abayaziwa kangako mina I think yi team ele chance yokusichaya eziningi
because Egypt is prepare for you
abantu abazi
because lonke liyabazi usalo uyakwazi ukuthi ngangena ku left uzafuna uchaya ikatini but uAngola uthi iqalisa ukufunda ukuthi lo
ubani race
yi team dangerous then South Africa okwenza kube lula bonke siyabazi labo basazi so igame yangikhona YouTube easy win-win situation enzima yona le yabo Angola because Angola vele to be honest ama players wonke wade dlala izolo yabo ngawani
Lapho Mabululu bese benchini phela. Mabululu nguye danger man uyangola.
But manje abantu yabephansi wona alikwazi nina bekhuluma ngomuntu ophansi mina kuyabe kulabanye abaqalisile so i-team lana yi dangerous
my point anything to add Masud before siphuma ku AFCON because there's a lot emfuna phonga ukuthi gagagagazi
hayi ukuthi hayi Zimbabwe
wona vela ukho kuzini
hayi iZimbabwe anihlala eZimbabwe I'm born in Zimbabwe bred in Zimbabwe but angeke ukuthi ngikhasi nothile thina singenge nothanda mangindibula indlala iZimbabwe vela ayindawo
Guys
hayi asivume awumasudi ngibona yamkhuba kakhulu
ngomurira uyayekela njani
but I just pray ukuthi kona sidlala ibhola elingcono iproblem nje ukuthi yona le team selection eZimbabwe don't even understand why umnetsi bachiwa o Jordan Zemurat bachiwa uWalter Msona bachiwa ilokuze nini waKim I'm quite sure ukuthi kona kwazi uphenduka ngadlala even game anyone
awedlala
but sengadlala ama chances okudlala slim
but
he was called to motivate the players right umnetsi ngawukhona ngoba ne game indayant bayamhlonipha umnetsi
kakhulu
and bemhlonipha nxa ukuthi unakambo ehlekile ukumotivate as the captain uyabathida lapha nasibhayeze lapha because there was no need ukuthi kona libiza abafana abana 16 years kakaze edlala even uPremier League u16 years umbe kwalidlala ngazi kuZimbabwe
ule 5 games
sasingamboni ukuthi sibimazi ukwazi nizaba kwasebizwa ukuthi wale 16 years now lona is just an exposure to ebona iMorocco abaningi ukuthi bebona iMorocco they are going to come back bengadlalanga so what was the problem ukuthi umnetsi la ehambe yebona ephenduke engadlalanga
tourist
nxa kulabanye abazahamba bephenduka bengadikhiphanga ibhola
umachisi bekhuluma la of ngobhisuma ubona uBhisuma ucoach uthi
captain
ule injury
is injured uthi angeke simchinga ucaptain is there to motivate
exactly
your point
iyancedisa even iyancedisa kuma coaching lapha nandaba singenzanga so lapha nandaba singenzanga so
lokho ngoba umnetsi bela la vocal ngabona umnye joke esithi Zimbabwe is the only team to drop an EPL play anyway guys moving on there's a lot that happened during the course of the we now know the fixtures our PSL how good is it ukuthi sisi space nesiso sesikwazi fixtures already
lapha alami ngethukile mntala
wonke 34 fixtures are out
ithukile ukuthi kathi so lokho yisign like bazama ukusitshengisa ukuthi into lezi siyazikwanisa but asifuni
that's the point
yikayo ukuthi we can do this but we don't want
singafuni sabusenza amabomu
yabona so is it not showing growth
like growth
kwaza ama opponents akho nje
antona kuyafana ukuthi ongenileyo ePSL omutsha obviously kuyabe kunjani usetshengisa ukuthi sebuya le change yento zonke sometimes wena sathi maybe babe ngakwanisi but uyabe khona yabe sehlulile uyabo but lo sebuyile yena
but right vele khona
but ngithi yena into yabe sezibambili
ube khona but ungela
yabo so kathi sethengisela ukuthi ama changes esiba maningi uyabona
like what Utopi is saying I think Uroti did something with thumbs up to him because now we now know ukuthi khona iPSL yaqalisa nini akusafana nokuqalisa kade ama games aqalisa nini ama games aqalisa la ngoMarch nguni but now we all know ukuthi aqalisa nini ngasaqalisa ngoMarch now the question is why ingaqalisa and now as a team we are going to sit down we are preparing you know the next episode emlokuzeni ama traveling ukuthi khona siyahamba endaweni nje kufuze senze so prepare nxa sithenga ama players sithenga konke so for the kind ifix team iminjani so khona kana lakho we say kuyazama ukuthuthukisana ibhola leZimbabwe
also that kind of organization and easy pressure to give abantu bePSL nxa sebe release ama fixtures early yakwazi ama fixtures sebebeke eceleni sebe focus kokunye nxa kuyikudinga ama sponsors sebedinga ama sponsors nxa
kuyiku Northern Region
nxa kuyiku check ama stadium kade sebe inspect ama stadium konke nje kuyabe kuyenzwa kungela pressure by the time season siyaqala yabo kwazi ukuthi hayi nxa bengasaqedisanga ukulungisa into yade mebezilungisise but majority sokulungisiwe is more than ready ukuthi siqalise ukudlala yabona
so like what you guys saying especially entweni ama sponsors le into engilesa khuluma ngayo ibuhlungu kakhulu because you find out that there are some players ku PSL abahola 8,000 a month you calculate 8,000 up to the end of the year maybe 12 months maybe roughly ngaphansi of 96,000 so imalana ayitholayo as an individual iningi kwedlwa iclub ezayiwina yonke after kudlala ilokuzenini ileague so isponsorship Scotland isponsorship sidakiwe because if the prize money would be 150,000 then is the winning maybe 75 or something like that akula lutho there's nothing esikudlala because imalana nxa bephiwa iphela kuma traveling expenses iphela kuma it's not even enough we should have something which motivates even our teams ukuthi ebe forced ukuthi lami as the owner of the company of the team I will benefit something my team ngawina let me pay my players imali because lapho ukuthi abantu abadlala ibhola you will be lucky if you can go more than 10 years
true
you will be lucky it's 10 years and after 10 years sasisubona sithi nanga ngumtop wayedlala ibhola but uyenzana kula lutho you understand not ukuthi is a failure sesithi awayihluleka but no why khola 400 fanele yakho unosebenza which is ufuze bhadala abantwana irent edle ebagqokise khona lapho ku$400 but esikhiweni you find ukuthi umuntu ukhola 50,000 a week if 50,000 a week la nxa ungadla 1,000 ngevika yabusuli golf but you can do something nxa sehlekisa I don't know idlala esikhiweni okhola imali eningi so we want ukuthi ama celebrity ethu engabe ngama celebrity ngebizo abe ngama celebrity lase yahawukela sewa emulate nxa nje ngisumntana nami njani khangela ubone uzibani wayedlala ibhola wayenza so nxa kusala kwesikolo qina ngakusport but khathisa as a parent I can hardly encourage my child ukuthi eqine ku sport because ngiyakwazi engahlukile esikolweni akasozenze lutho
you've touched the nail
yabona khona ukuthi that's what ama fans amaningi they are doing labo ukuthi maybe ngabona iplays ambela alo wayesidla imali sometimes imali zangikhona aziphumi imali zangikhona aziphumi lokuphuma uyaqeda udlala maybe 5 years uzothiwa imali yakho contract sizakunika ingabuyi at the end of the day wena mawusu uhamba eTareni abantu sebesithi but lo wayedlalisa imali wayesenza
amahule le ulapho
awul
sebesona amahule
izinto ezenzakalayo most abantu abakwazi what's happening but ibona babona ngaphandle exactly ngabona mebhona uzigqokele la kuyiNike wakho sesithi njengona bathenga ama Nike lani bale mali but lo ngumuntu kuyongela lutho
I think ipoint elikhuluma ikhulunywa ngumraphe anubonile lani coaches for economic development umraphe
yawotshuni
yeah, it's something that also caught my eye during the course of the week. Osande Marimo, labo Masimba Dinero, ba form coaches for economic development. So umraphe was saying ukuthi abantu abanjalo njama amelanga bekhanyise kuma spaces anjengona lawa but ngenxa yendlala la lokhu bonke abantu sebephiwa ama raptor abantu sebesenzana bagcina besiba entweni ezinjengazona lezi because of what you guys are talking about
because you are forced because awunyeke uyala imali ube le pride imali
hayi wona betubeka and two now I pressure esuka ku society leyananti isiya to that person former player to somebody else and it end up leading them to indulge in drugs because usezama ukuthi ebenza ezirelease sesithi kona wayedlala ibhola senza ama drugs but we don't understand ukuthi kona ama teams they are not paying these guys ama teams akula mali so as much as we don't like Scotland we say thumbs up ngokubuya
Bayenza
ifaka imali
something,
lokuze
that's true.
ukufaka imali ekwenzile eScotland then is now forcing everyone and I'm so glad even team players nxa igijima eselapha kule mali khona abahambi because
I think into ekhona futhi
they've got a future.
Uchawanda spoke of the same thing.
Ngoba ungadlalela inkwelo udlalela uchaza thina ama supporters. Thina sebesenza ama hustler esayidini senza sokwenzayo. Sidinga imali sithusiphile labantu bethu. Usikusupport ungayenze lutho. You understand? But ugcineni khathesi siyabonga ifazi leyabuyayo. Ama players amaningi they're now getting ama signing on fee because bahamba kufazi ba represent. But before ingabi khona we have got so many former players at Lenders.
Even kathesi amanye babengathuli.
Bebengathuli.
Kathesi ababaningi abakhala kathesi.
Ama former players ayidlalwa eLenders. Nanganotha umuntu Chipotsotso, nangantombani. Nanganomani. Ubone abanye bahamba amapenzi, ubone abanye bahamba ngenyawo. So utobona kathi wayindawo because ulwana umuntu uvelo wasuka emolini enothile. Bamncedisa waphumela wayaphambili. But wena udlala ibhola because most people they earn 400. Most they own 400. If 400 eZimbabwe ayikwani lutho. I-rent is expensive.
School fees
is expensive. Those people they are people as well they need to live.
So as indaba le sibuhlungu iwangi bona iwangi ayiphanga ama player ama signing on ama players ama signing on babiza uma Cheso lo makhathi for some event babhadala imali is serious abafana ba strike so it's so painful ukuthi it's like ukuthi ama players abantu ababayenza
abangela nda especially nje yabona problem yabinga anti season isipheli abasakubona wena
njengomuntu
isipheli wena kuwe sokupheli sebedinga umuntu wena ngosuncenga ukuthi wena ube njani ube khona futhi
yiyo phela iroom ekhona ukuthi ebanganomnethi twa undaba bemchili ukuthi khona uthi wakhulumela abafana bebengaphiwa ngama winning bonus because wathi khona asiboycott nini umnethi kuyi winning bonus national team is nothing. He was doing it for the players.
He can actually pay the others.
He can also actually pay for the others. But as a leader also still because mina ngiyathola nxa ngithola asingasabenza ibhola sishene ndakho. You cannot play with somebody who's not motivated. Those guys need to be motivated Egypt kona ngalo uze siwini. At least upresident uzamile wabanika 400,000 even though it's not enough. But uzamile. So iFA la izami ibhadala imali abantu imali then sesiphenduka kuphesi lapha esikhona nxa sebenze so they now know ibudget yabo ukuthi ibudget ufuze senze so hlala ngibudget lama winning bonuses because abafana bazawina bafuna imali zabo libanike ama winning bonuses zabo sifuna ama strike yabafana sebe strike sebenze ayibe ncane imali yakhona nxa incane but usukana ngela ngayithola kahle umuntu ehle kusebenzisa imali yakhe we going to have a better football siyakwanisa ukuthola letipora lelichaza
nice one buto
enye into futhi ku-PSL engangichaziyo nalana ukuthi i-PSL iyahlukanisa ama games kule game uthi akhona namhla udlala yaLenders le Dynamos sokuyi $5 kule game udlala yaLenders le Chicken Inn sokuyi $3 right khona
ama team lapha ama team
but i-PSL with the approval of PSL i-PSL approve
akwenzakala
khona ukhana kuyaphambanisa akulimazi PSL akulimazi Chicken Inn akulimazi Lenders kulimaza wena FM because you are there you've got 34 games to watch you want to watch all those games imali iphuma comments akho bona abalanda lakho nxa befuna bayenze nxa bebona $5 is $5 let it be $5 ka1 nxa kuyi $10 akuhlube $10 kuhambe
I think we've touched on this
but at the end of last
year oyicho it's about team yona ukuthi iyabhala incwadi ikhala nge-financial njengokuthi kade sikhala ukuthi imali ayikho njani ebafaneni stuff i-team yakhuluma ukuthi thina we are struggling so we are trying to get money nxa maybe singadlala eDynamos siyaba le mali lathi yokuthi sikhavele ezinye izinto njengokuthi maybe like iChicken Inn yabingela ama-fans afana yabo ayileni uyabona and then uyabona so every day maybe kuyabe kuyiloss ku-Chicken Inn each game but sebefuna ukuzama labo ukuthi benjani bethole imali uyabona
yeah
I think into
le point but le point in terms mase khulume ngama team la amancane mayidlala ama team ukuthi they want to utilize they want to take that advantage but kwesikhathi uyathuthi ama team amakhulu wona lawo like Highlanders and Scotland akwaze kube le $3 Highlanders and Dynamos zakho it's a PSL oyisho ubuthoza ukuthi approval iPSL ayisilungisa izinto kufana nje eSouth Africa eSouth Africa lokho sabukela ibhora I remember I went to South Africa 2004 lokho li R40 lamanje lokho li R40
that's I think another thing futhi eyabihlupha lapha ku Highlanders versus Dynamos there are more fans ibhora ungalenza $3 akungeneke eBF because one thing for sure we have to ulayinela ama-tickets.
Kuyangeneka.
Hayi ngiyafika khona kuyangeneka but kuyasokufuna ama-ticket ethengiswe
In advance.
kwenza because i-stadium anti ungadayela Dynamos siyagcwala lesa ulihamba libhadala so lihamba libhadala liyaphela uphansi so I think sokumele belokhu
yagcola sathi mpama ongakwananga kakwananga
ajabona ukuthi
No, but we need to move away from
that uyabona ukuthi ngcono ungahambi e-stadium ufike awusabhadali kubuhlungu so at least ngwayenza ama-ticket behle bethi se-sold out.
The last time we had a fan engagement the PSL by then Kenny Ndebele was the CEO. Wathi khona the reason why bengayenza ama-pre-match ama-tickets is because asilama ma-seat ukuthi even bebekwazi ukuthi khona how many people sebekwane i-capacity inganani so khona kana kokufuze
but you can actually ubufuna edda something
before khona ukuthi indaba yokuthi ama-games akakhwezwa ama-prizes yi-norm but even on an international standard we know ukuthi El Clasico ayifanani lamanye ama-games in terms of ukubhadala in term any other games ikabe ngabo 35 37 pounds 40 pounds but El Clasico is 150
because everyone want to watch El Clasico.
Yeah, well, so it's like that even i-Islanders ingadlala le Dynamos or iChicken ingadlala le Dynamos there's a big team ezile ekhaya izagcwalisa abantu so kumele kube worth why so kuzakhwezwa
I understand the point of each one. Mina the thing esikukhuluma point yami engayizwisisiyo ukuthi
hayi uzwake
bana ngiyafuna lizwisisa point yami engitsho ukuthi ingaphi. Now let's take iChicken in for example is playing against Islanders ayikazi khweza imveni intengo ngaphandle kwe last game leyenza leyo ilokuze nini iChicken in is playing Islanders iChicken in has got few fans Islanders has got more fans so iChicken in is at home isikhweza iprice ukuthi ibe $5 so which means iChicken in ikhayeta players afokha imali eningi yiwapi Islanders which is not fair.
No, but
understand my point. My point is akube khona le advertising maybe lokuze in the way marketing strategy eyenziwa ngama teams to win ama fans. You have more fans. Ungamarketa li win ama fans. Ngaba la fans amaningi you push more volumes even at $3. Nxa sele ama fans amaningi you paying ama $3 you make more money than ubhadalisa $5.
Exactly.
So ngasithi ngakhangela ukuthi capitalize ngama fans amanye ama teams yet we can
your point is very valid.
Mina ade ngikhona khona most of the games aba $5 ungazama ukhangela
abe involve
ama big teams but ukuthi iChicken in ingathi yona ifuna ukuyenza ama lokuze nebe $5 idlala iDynamos yami example mfuku kuyayiyo eyokuthi yona ayila ma-fans amaningi ukuthi i-EPF engayigcwalisa
impangwa yani end na impangwa
yabona iyodwa engakwana uyabona so that's why yabe senza $3 and it's an advantage futhi ku-Chicken because ama-volumes kanjani babuyabe baningi but ku-Islander Dynamos they are avoiding i-crowd eningi plus kuyabumsindo uyabona exactly so ngaba cheap one awonke umuntu uyahamba wonke umuntu longakaze eBhoreni yamuzosithi mvuka bukelani iBhora leli ngoba linjani
yibo bajala ukuzothola kulomsindo eBhoreni behle befike bevusa umsindo ngoba bengakwazi umsindo uvuswa njani
exactly uyabona yizo ezinye ngezafo
I get that point kulezinto ezi I think hope is right la
alright abemfuna ungezele ukuthi but vele even in a proper model anyway ama teams vele afundwa imali zama supporters so kungabe ukuthi awumbe isupporter ama supporters ale mali
akona ama gate takings kuphela ama affiliations imali zama affiliations supporters
gate takings membership fees
konke
aba
so in wrapping up asirepelini masinya because inyanga le siyabe sibhizi ngeAfcon but kunenge okunye kuyabe kuyenzakala siyabe siloke sikuthatha
akurepa kwethu asithi 10 thumbs up to PSL therefore ilokuze for ama fixtures now as they don't have the pressure of organizing this before the season starts abadinga ama sponsors belungise kumbe sidinga
bebe ukuthengisa iBhora in a better way
to market it
yes, to other stakeholders
that way we can ingathola i-sponsorship esingcono abafana bethu bathola imali
mfuna in how many minutes was 5 in 7 minutes si compress ama topic lawo I 3 ingezi bayishaye nge 3-term ban in terms of bayihlekile ubhadala imali lana ngoba FIFA bethe bebhadale umafu lo
Moror
imali yabo leya. Then we kule issue yelokhuzeni eHarare City is rumored ukuthi ngani sithenga franchise is coming back to the Premier Soccer League. Then Ululu is back in the country, is now officially Simba Bora. One lawo 3 swatikaga. Then we also saw under 17 bemfuna sikhulume ngeground uthi iPSL bifuna ukuchinja isikhathi sethi sidlala ibhola during this period sihambelana labanye ama team, but ama stadiums ayo kekhathesi njabo ingoni ibidlala under 17 tournament lana emakazana la izulu labe City ambone sebengena amabhakede emdala eground. So wona lawo i-force watika, then we wrap it up to be indlela kaze kuwe sithi gaga ngendlela obone ngayo oze ngayo those 3 angazi ukuthi in what particular order ozaqalisa ngayo, kumbe yaqalisa ngoLulu kumbe yaqalisa but whatever.
Mina ukuthi ngiqalise coach Lulu well done kunzima from player yo coach eShamba something yabinzima nje babonile ukuthi hayi Chuti is a good coach and everything, so I thumbs up to him. Bese kubuya ama-grounds very Zimbabwe siyawazi mdala, even national sports sake sangena ngama-helmet, so isikhathi sezulu vele kunzima, isikhathi sezulu kunzima yabo. So I think izinto kumele siqalise sizilungise before sifuna ukutshintsha ngoba kunzima ukuthi siyahlala ama-game postpone every game because kaya lizuthi lina njani week in week out, so kunzima. At least ngaqalisa ngama-stadium uyabusubona manje ukuthi hayi ibhola seliqalise kayile Morocco for example
ungakayiphambili Topi i-stadium ingoni ilungiswe khathesi. I think it's a no-brainer ukuthi befa i-drainage
kumele vele behlale
bekwenzibelisina but ungaboni ukuthi belisina, so bazayakha ama-stadium but nxa bengela idea so athole enceyile seseyadruk esiyakho khathesi le drainage enceye iphuka futhi.
Yeah, because abayenzanga njenge-national sports bahle balevula iground nje bathi loni bagebhele eceleni lapha,
so i-drainage is poor, I understand.
yiko ngikutsho khona ukuthi thina i-problem esaselayo nale ama-drainage ukuthi abantu ama-stadium ayilungiswa ifake i-drainage
proper, yes,
because izulu angeke silimise, hayi izulu awulimise,
it's a nature
nature baba vele as long as ungekho prepared vele asingeke senzele yabo. So I think
right, mina ngithatha engezi lana engezi ibhan le into akade avoideka only. I'm sure ukuthi indaba le ifike lapha efike khona because i-team rana mafia style yabo. Of course asikuboni ngaphandle obongezi sibona one of ama teams abe ngana organize nxa sikhangela from outside, but uyakwazi team nxa rana mafia style umthide ngafona ethi bafethu la ngixoxa phela lapha awufa phela imali yami yabona engxa uzabonga ukuthi hayi wena hamba awumile sizakufonela qede lapha ufonela sokuthuli yiko ugcina umuntu sethatha amameza njengokuthi ehambe FIFA complain ukuthi abantu laba singakayikhashana vele bangichaye unfair dismissal. Lokala siyakwazi vele abantu baphathana rough, but bephathane rough ukhona umuntu ozama ukucompensate ukuthi no ngawuxoxa lapha siyakuxoxa nje but sizakune banengi even eEngland even nga ama-coach axoxwa before ama-contract abephela but bayacompensate yabona. Nxa compensate akuya-communicate ngabe kuthiwa i-communication ayisizi obhaka labana abadala bebhana obhaka balezikwerede mdala ezabantu abaningi. So i-team nje izranelwa mafia style I hope bazafunda nje betshintshe lapha. I'm sure futhi even ukuthi bengahamba bezama uku-engage kade antu umafu yena kakaba kade ukuthi babhanela umafu ubenji kakabuye so I'm sure ukuthi ubenji bengata member hayi siza kubonela iplan even bemchacha nje but bebhayi isikhathi sokuthi bembonela iplan bayakhona uku-avoid ibhani for icase kabenji uyabona. So it's a matter of ukuthi ama-teams umele ezama nje ukurunwa professionally, communication ibe proper, be-avoid izinto zolezo ukuphonga ukuxotsha nje ukuthi umuntu uyaphonga ukuxotshwa lana akusela ukuthi kuthiwa umuntu uzambuza ukuthi uzangenzani vele kathesi ibhora selihamba ku-stage sokuthi selizaba more transparent. Especially karesi nxa kuyikuthi indaba ye-strict club licensing ama-conference ade bewayenza if really izaphiya ifruit ukuthi into ade bezitshela abazaziyenza kuzaba le transparency eningi so akusela ama-shortcuts ukuthi usujump ukuthi ngiyenze ngifuna ngoba iclub yami or loza ngiyenzani yabona and then engoni stadium le ngivumelana la ipoint ade uyikhuluma ukuthi basiyakhe kade stadium le bebe le chance ukuthi bezigebhele bethena befaka i-drainage esharp nje abebengela pressure ngesikhathi beyakha so I don't get why bengakwenzanga khona lokho yabona so I hope nje the next person oyakayo karesi government yasikhulula athi umuntu ozayakha i-stadium imali yakhe imali engasebenzisa imali yakhe thina sathi samphatha simo stuff like that I hope kuyamotivate abantu but whoever ozayakha sukume yakhe i-stadium kathesi zama ukuyenza ama-standards ayiwo afunakala
yeah hayi siyabonga we just say congratulations to Coach Lulu for the new chapter in his life. I wish him all the best and success.
Ungakhohlwa phela lani lama rumors but awukabi official. Usithi fahla nxa ulokunye okwazi undira ngani zeding that way.
There's nothing official yet ngamahemu asesebuyemini. I think Coach Ndira Coach since ngikhuluma Ndira Coach Lulu I think we are going to wish him all the best there.
True.
And we wish a very fruitful season coming next season. Now i-3-term ban le lokuzenini engezi I think it comes as a lesson to other clubs if I may say. It's not something that we can be happy about. Ukuthi boni team is struggle for 3 years.
Yeah.
Ngathi ngelalo kuzenini grassroots. That's also uqhaqha bona ubalo kuzenini lama academies ubafana abancane phansi bathatha bakhwelisa nje bese ngena.
Bona luckily but I think bale under 19.
That's good because nqali ngiyela now you'll be forced to start that. But nonetheless we wish ukuthi khona they can try and solve the issue amicable and nxa kulokuthi bakwanisa uku-appeal for a lesser judgment bezama ukuyathola that one but
bethola imbinga athi ayile yathola uchivayo wabhadala
so I think nxa yikho kuyibhora nje lalo libuhlungu sometimes and rules have to be followed like we were saying ukuthi khona nxa uzasebenzisa umuntu for years ungambhadala even 1 year kumbhadala uqeda umxoji ilokuzenini islavery siyaphela lana safuna ukuthi senze abantu sengama slaves umbhadaleni nxa kuyi$10 umnike $10 la nxa engathengi lutho umnike ngesikhathi elivumelene ngaso nxa imzukane ngiyekho umtsheti namhlanje ayikho then nizakunika kusasa so I think other clubs they can learn afuzanga sichazana ebantwini phandle ukuthi i-team enje team A iyabhadala ukwedlula ukuzeni team B iyabhadala ukwedlula but imali yakho lingakwanisi ukuyibhadala lomphepha idinga ucoach expensive because ifuna ukugcwalisela abantu dinganini something I always try let's live within our means as a team let's live within our means nxa kuyi-500 ucoach nxa ingafuni akahambe kuzabuya ufuna i-500 le 500 kuyabiningi kakhulu so that's what other thing eqakathekile then i-RI City kubuya ku-PSA wasazi since ungamayemuyema ukagcwalise ngazibuye siye sabe sizalinda then since ukugcina ama-stadiums inkoni stadium obvious ngathiwa khona yayilungiswa ngobunono obukhulu ngalakade silayikapheli because when usulungisa i-drainage system uyagebha mina ithi no ground yageja ibe ligodi uyagebha ile ligodi but lena manje bafuna ufake itarakita kuphela ya great bafaka abahlanyeli loni yaba green bayakha emaceleni ngoba kuhle bas sasithi sokule lokuzeni nje bonke le train lokuzeni air drop even though la nxa ingasuze be standard but it's taken longer than isikhathi esikhayelwe ngayo fully ukuthi khona izulu nxalingana singakwanisa ukuhotsha kwesikhathi esincane nje nesesikhona so asazi konke labo BF bangcono yobe luveve bangcono but kuyafisa angithi siyafisa ukuthi ngathi kunje kusuku off season so ukwatabule kugejwe befake kungani sibe lama problems ukuthi maybe asila dressing room proper sila ukuze ni but phansi amanzi ehocheka kuyaqhakathekile so and then we say congratulations to 100 for Islanders for turning 100 years. Wish them the best. Maybe he's a winner like trophy to celebrate 100 years. Maybe, but
mina kulula uLulu
Slenga mtata 2
kuLulu mina mbongani
eh
I wish him all the best. Ubonisile ukuthi he's a coach ngabona usubizwa endaweni engasiyakho. Kusho something improvement enkulu kakhulu. In terms of ama stadiums Zimbabwe vele uthina sikhuluma ama stadiums kusasekude so kwengoni khona kana kushowile ukuthi labo i-seriousness yabo ngebhola sisibajajile i-seriousness ngebhola because bebe lesikhathi sabo kube at least bayelo kuzeni yazange bezenzele i-seriousness yabo kula into esingayitsho labo ukuthi i-level yabo i-seriousness yabo sesibaweyile siyakwazi baweyisa bachiye endaweni enjani labo bayazazi then kungezi liyana ezugana lethe sitsho ismafia style lesa because obvious omorwari babalande kusasele isikhathi they've got time from bebaxotsha bebekwazi ukuthi kule administration lapha ukuthi masibaxotsha kulama consequences asilandelayo but just because ukuthi it's mafia style manje unfortunately ukuthi umhlaba sowatshintsha awusayenza into zomasifia ungazenza mafia style abantu bangena ebhukwini into zihambe ngeprotocol right so umbona ibhani yabo ishapu babachaya futhi 6 years because already bazusaba abantu ubuhlungu le football bayibonisana njalo ukuthi uxotsha umuntu then umuntu obvious omoror bahamba labo mafu bengakafiki kithi emaphepheni ukudlala sibekwazi babahambela baqala maybe for 1 year kumbe 6 months lokho bedonsa ismafia style bathe sebebuya la sesikwazi laba babe lokho besenza ismafia style kwe 100 years ku Islanders mana sithule ngakho cause
but police lizo
isikhambili asikhonsanga izolo besisemadakeni itho ngisho njalo ngoba bengilawe iHighlander sithona sithi kulabadala yang understand ukuthi iHighlander kulabadala abantu abangeke bebona izinto asakhuluma ngommusic wathi ngani yilokho esegabheni ithiwa kuyinto speaker box athi ungazwakali sikhambe sakuma endaweni just ngcono sole ngokuthi asola manga thina sikade ngilawo sikhambe sakuma 30 meters bengawuza ukuthi lapha ukhalwa ubusiza ukuthi kulethe indumba ukuthina awuzwa nje secondly it's a rain season buthoza nje we are turning 100 years nje wena kunje so uthadisa umna wakho uyahayi tent elingcono babe sehayi kulithenti kwenyaratho
Ayaratho sponsor xa ya donate
i-donation kumbe i-67 seater awukhayilanga ukuthi nga yabo ngapha i-stage listen
uqedisa bro
i-stage anjo i-stage lalaba kuhlele khona i-audience anjo bekuyindawo ethene ukuthi abantu mabegida begidile ngabo kade kuludaka ngapha i-stage asivalwanga umusic izulingana kuyastotho lani sokumele ipose linga ama artists I know ukuthi they are mana ngikhulumele at the behalf of ama artists besihleli lawo sibaleka izulingana sibaleke sihlala sonke lama artists you understand 100 is turning 100 years Islander kuthi ile poor management poor administration yonke into akube ungacaci lapha thina sisesasuka past 5 years sisuka sibonanga amanye ama artists champs sigeza asingeke lokho sinetho tenskishinisa nama artists angeke sewenze lokho into yasiphua Islanders lokho
uchababu awukali from izolo. But anyway, guys, what a lovely show. I think after a game is Zimbabwe, I wanted to organize a watch party. There's a match will communicate. I wanted to organize a watch party. Spaghetti Zimbabwe Angola. Then see dissect. Konabo. But anyway, says Vara. Namsha para wins. Was to varying last week. Last week is varying. Watching
subscribe guys as pushing sports kanjalo
but let's do it bra.
Yeah, in everything there's nothing which unites people like sport, especially football unites people, so let's love football, especially when you love Zimbabwe, you'll be okay.
hayi mina ngithanda ukuphonga ukuxolisa ama-on and off akithi imuli yalamba but hayi asiqhubekeni sisekela uhlelo lwe-Deb3 TV Pass and Move podcast vele thina silanda kakhulu sifuna ukuthi ibhora lethu liphakame so yikho yeah so qhubekani sisekela subscribe lapho like invite abanye
Toby
hayi ngane diseqedi
uthi adios
when peace
adios
so guys please siyabonga please continue subscribing share don't forget to share wena ungasubscribe ungakhohlwa ukuthi lo mngane wakho lo mngane wakhe share isabalale igcwale yonke into but siyabonga nonetheless isupport until next time until watch part of until next time guys siyabonga
adios
Yes.